Hey everyone, I'm Miguel Beltran. I'm a freelance mobile developer based in Berlin, and I have this crazy idea that minimalism can be applied to software development. I like to call it minimalist-driven development. Minimalism is gaining popularity in general media. You probably have heard about tidying up on Netflix, documentaries, podcasts, YouTube channels, blogs, and books. All have one thing in common: to teach us to live a more meaningful life with less. When we think about minimalism, we think about an empty room with just one chair and someone eating plain rice every single day. Or maybe we think about someone whose all possessions fit in a single bag. Those are extremes, and you should not take them as examples. Minimalists seek to live a happier life with less, not necessary to just get rid of things, although that can help. Today, I want to show you this idea: minimalism in code, being a happier developer, developing better products with less clutter. The idea of minimalism in software development is not new. Back in the 70s and the 80s, resources of machines were very limited and expensive. 8 to 16 kilobytes of RAM was common. 64 kilobytes was considered a vast amount for the entire address space. Over time, personal computer memory capacities expanded by orders of magnitude, and mainstream programmers took advantage of the added storage to increase their software capabilities and to make development easier by using higher-level languages. Not only hardware expanded, but also the way we build software. We went from single-purpose command-line tools to complex feature-rich software, which sometimes is even too bloated. We focused on speed of development and not on the usage of resources. Mobile development brought back the idea of minimalism in software development. Originally, our smartphones were very limited in terms of processing and battery, and as technology progressed, we also put priority on the fast-to-build and feature-rich solutions. I want you to keep in mind that while we do enjoy those awesome machines in our pockets, the next billion users lives a different reality. A minimum wage worker in Brazil or Mexico has to work 34 hours, so almost the whole week, to pay for 500 megabytes of data. If your app is around 15 megabytes, that's 1 hour of work just to download your app. Of course, we are not the only responsible for this. We don't decide the features that get into our apps. Our managers do. But we can decide which frameworks and libraries we want to use, how to optimize resources and shrink code. We can compress JSON data and make features available offline. Minimalism can be applied successfully to user interfaces. Apple products are a great example of this. And the same thing with material design from Google. By keeping a simple user experience, we help the user by not making them think. You can reach a greater audience by using clean, high contrast, and easy to use user interfaces. Allow the user to make mistakes and undo them, rather than feeding them with tutorials and instructions. These are just two examples of how thinking like a minimalist can help us build better products. I will invite you all to learn more about minimalism and think how can we apply this mindset to the way we build products. Thanks for listening. I'm happy to chat with you.